are ready to begin. Vasanti ma'am, I think the children are ready. I think Ina is ready, Meena is ready, and Dika is also ready.
Right. I think we have 9 kids. 9 plus we have many more from, I think from Tender Hearts. Yash, Paru,
Okay.
Aisha, Rana. 1, 2, 3, 4 kids. Very good. Okay, that's nice.
Right, right.
6 students are there, Vasanti ma'am. Yash Rana, Parul Rana, Ayush Rana. 3 of the children are sitting together, and then Vivek is there, Prashant and Netrapal is there. 3, 4, 5, 6 students are there from Tender Heart right now.
Okay, good. Nice, nice, Monica. Thank you. Thank you for your effort to putting them on here. That's really nice. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And we are going to begin our story very soon. First, tell me, कितने लोग यहाँ पे आज पहली बार आए हैं? How many people have come here for the first time? How many children have come for? You can raise your hand. I think there is a.
I have.
Who has come for the first time here? Let's
I have Anya.
Anya. Yes, I see Anya. Anya has come here for the first time. Everybody else has come before. सब पहले आ चुके हैं एक बार, है ना?
Can we see you, Anya? Can you put your camera on? Anya is not. Okay.
Okay, doesn't matter. That's fine. Now.
There she comes.
Yes.
Anya has come showing her face now.
Hello, Anya. Nice
Hello,
to see
Anya,
you.
good to see you.
Yes.
See you, Mom.
Yeah, it's good to see you.
So let me first quickly tell you, where exactly are you all right now? You are all, आप सब आज एक animal club में आए हुए हो. This is an animal club for children. जिन जिन बच्चों को बहुत पसंद है animals के बारे में जानना, animals की देखभाल करना, we all come over here sometimes to meet and find out what all we can do for animals and what all we can do for them and what all we can learn about them. So today we are going to learn about 3 animals. उससे पहले I want to ask you a question. मैं आप सबसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहूंगी. वो है कि मैं आज एक वर्ड बोलूंगी आपको, एक शब्द. वो वर्ड सुनते ही आपके माइंड में क्या आता है? आप मुझे बताएंगे अभी. Ready?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Great.
ma'am.
Great,
Okay,
great.
Ma'am. Okay, Ma'am.
So the first word that I'm going to tell you today is house. When I say the word house, what comes into your mind? सब जिनको आंसर देना है हाथ रेस करेंगे. अभी सब म्यूट पे रखेंगे, हाथ रेस करो जिनको बोलना है. जब मैं कहती हूँ हाउस या घर, आपके माइंड में क्या शब्द आता है? कि what comes into your mind? Yes. कौन बताना चाहेगा पहले? हाथ रेस करेंगे. Yes, Mihir. Mihir, you can unmute.
Picture of a house.
A picture of a house comes when you think. Okay. Next. और कौन बताना चाहेगा जब मैं कहती हूँ घर, आपके माइंड में क्या आता है? Yes, Yash, Parul, Ayush.
Yes, Ma'am.
बताइए आप सब.
My house.
Your
Please let me stay. Ma'am, it's
मतलब उसा हम उसको हिंदी में कहते हैं like
Mummy.
Yes, अच्छा पहले यश, पारुल और आयुष बताएंगे उन्होंने पहले, उसके बाद हम अंशिका के पास आएंगे. ओके? यश, पारुल और आयुष.
Yes, Ma'am. My house.
Okay. So can you tell me 3 words that describe your house? जो आपके हाउस को डिस्क्राइब करता है. कैसा होता है एक घर?
Ma'am, beautiful, big, and
ठीक है. अब मैं आपको एक दूसरा सवाल करती हूँ. I'm going to ask you a different
Yes, ma'am. The
question.
walls are in different colors and
Yes.
paintings.
Correct. अब मैं आपको एक दूसरा क्वेश्चन
Ma'am, may
पूछती
I?
हूँ. Okay, everybody can now unmute, can mute yourself, please.
Yes,
So
Ma'am.
when I say house, tell me 3 words that describe your house. कोई भी 3 words जो आपके house के बारे में बताता है. How is your house like?
Mummy.
के बारे में सोचो. हाथ रेस करेंगे जिनको बोल. Okay. अच्छा, अब अंशिका आप बताना चाहेंगे? You would like to say, Anshika?
Yes. Mommy.
Yes, the place where we live. Right, right.
And a place where it's a shelter, kind of a shelter for humans.
Correct. It's a shelter for humans. Very right. Now, who else wants to tell me what does a house mean? How does describe a house?
Mommy.
Ma'am, Vivek, me.
Hmm?
Mommy.
Yes, Anya. Anya will now say.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Right. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, a house. Ma'am, ma'am, a house protect us from rain, cyclones, etc.
Correct. Vivek. Very good. Next. Next बताएंगे अलीजा आप बताइए. Yes, you tell me. Aliza, please.
Yes, ma'am. I love this house, and there's lot of things I can do in here.
Correct. Okay. Now the next question, ये last वाला question है. अब मैं चाहूंगी बाकी बच्चे आंसर करें. इधर जो भी बैठे हैं, सबसे अच्छी चीज क्या लगती है आपको आपके घर के बारे में? सबसे अच्छी चीज. What is the thing that you love the most about your house?
Ma'am, clean.
Okay, so you can raise your hands.
Yes,
फिर मैं देखूंगी बच्चे. Yes, very good. Clean. Your house should be clean. That is what you love about your house. और कौन बताना चाहेगा?
Ma'am, ma'am, the all things at their places also. Ma'am, the things at their places also.
The things at the place? Yes, correct.
Ma'am,
Anshika.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, Anshika बताएंगे. एक एक करके बताएंगे.
We like
Anshika
to
has raised
play.
her hand.
We can play inside the house.
Yes, you
Ma'am,
can play inside
we
your house.
we can
Very safely.
do a lot of stuff.
We can do a lot of stuff. Very good. हाँ. who would like to
Ma'am,
Hmm?
Yes, Anshika.
my small brother, his name is Vivan.
Okay. Now Vihan has also joined us. So Abhi, let's begin with our story. Today I have with me 3 friends, but they have come from a very different planet, and they have arrived on Earth. Ina, Meena, and Dika have arrived on Earth, and they are looking for something. But what are they looking for? Let us meet them one by one. Let's see who has come here first. Oh, first I have with me somebody who is coming on a UFO. जो कोई दूसरे planet से आता है ना, एक UFO पे आता है. वो ऐसे एक UFO पे आया है. What is the shape of this UFO?
Ma'am, cat. Cat.
Shape of a cat. So who comes on this? Let's see. It is Ina the cat. Ina the cat.
I was going to say
arrived.
cat.
अच्छा, सब इसको अपने आप को म्यूट करेंगे अभी, ठीक है? और मैं आपको दोबारा बताऊंगी. So this is, hi everybody, I am Ina the cat and I have come from another planet. I am looking for something. I'm looking for something. Where is it? Where is it? Have you seen? I am looking for something. Ina, what exactly is it that you are looking for? Can the children help you? I don't know if the children can help me. I am looking for a place where I can live. But Ina, all these children live in their houses. Do you also want to live in a house? Oh, yes. These children love their houses. I also want to go and find my house so that I can play like these children said. But how should we help you find your house, Ina? Children, how many of you would like to help Ina find her house? Just raise your hand. Yes. Thank you, children. I am going to take your help in finding my house, but I don't know where to look for. I am just very sad. This rain is falling on me. How do I look? How do I look? Don't worry, Ina. These children are going to help you find your house. You can go and rest till then. Okay, bye. Now it was the time. So you children have to help Ina find her house. But usse pehle there is one more person who needs your help. Who is that? It is, and that person is going to come on another UFO.
Ma'am, cat. It's
Huh?
Ma'am, it's a cow.
It's a cow. Let's see.
No, ma'am, it's a rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
Rhino. Yes, ma'am.
Somebody whose name starts.
It's a cat.
Let's see. Okay.
Ma'am, it's
Yes.
a dog.
All right. Let's see who it is. Everyone. 1, 2, 3. And hello, everybody. I am Meena the cow. I am also looking for something if you can help me find it. I am also looking for a place where I can keep myself busy, where I can live with my family. What place is this where I can live with my family? Which place? Which place? Ah, Meena the cow. These children live with their families in their house. Do you think it's a house where you need to go to? Ah, yes. I need to find my house, my home. How do you think my house will look like? Children, do you have any idea? How does
No,
my house look like? Anybody knows? Please, somebody, can you raise your hand and show me?
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Children, do you know how my house will look like? Anybody knows where my house is? Anybody? मेरा घर कहाँ पर है? मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ. आपको पता है? I think Meena the cow, we have to find your house all together. You have to go with Ina the cat and together we will find your house. Is that cool? Yes, I think I'll find my house with Ina the cat. Okay. Children, are you ready to find their houses?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I am not ready to find their houses as yet because there is another person who's looking for their house.
Tika.
Who is the third one?
Ma'am, Tika.
And that person is going to come on another UFO. What UFO?
Ma'am, it's a
is
dog.
this?
Dog. Ma'am,
Is
it's a
it a
dog.
dog?
Ma'am, dog.
It's the shape of a dog. So does that mean Tika is a dog? Let's see. Let's see who comes. And yes, it is Tika the dog. Hello, friends. My name is Tika the dog. You must have met my friends Ina and Meena. Like them, I am also looking for my home. Will you help me find it? I am tired of roaming around in the sun so much. I am sweating. I am thirsty. If I go to my house, I will feel cool. I will feel not hungry anymore. Do you know where my house is?
No.
Do you know what my house looks like?
No.
Do I live in Anya's home?
No.
No. Do I live in Anshika's home?
No.
No. I am tired. Where should I look for my home? Where will it be? Where will it be? Let me go to...
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
We are talking about a doggy and we have 3 doggies. Yes.
Oh, you mean to say there are 3 doggies like me in your home?
Yes.
I would love to visit your home, Anshika and Vivan. But first, I need to go and help Ina and Meena. They are waiting for me. They are waiting for me. We need to form a group and find our homes together. So let's go. Okay. So children, let's begin to search their houses. Okay. Let's see.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
There we are. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
And here they are. Ina, Meena, and Dika look for their homes. Once upon a time, Ina the cool cat, Meena the charming cow, and Dika the daring dog, they reached the planet Earth, where all these children lived. Mihi lived, Prashant lived, Monica, everybody lived. And there were also other animals, and they went everywhere looking for their homes. Ina arrived on a UFO. It looked exactly like a cat-shaped cloud. And then came Meena. Meena also arrived on a cow-shaped cloud. And then who was left? Dika. Dika also arrived on a UFO that looked like a dog-shaped cloud. But they were both very sad. They looked confused and worried. Do you know why?
Ma'am,
They
because
didn't-
they can't find their houses.
Correct. They didn't know where their homes were.
And they were very tired of the sun and the rain.
They were walking in the sun. They were getting scorched. They were sweating. They walked in the rain too. But they just couldn't find. Ina the cat said, "Oh, we are so wet." And then
There is
Ina
no
the cow said, "Where is our home? Where is it?" And then Dika the dog said, "We are so hungry. हमें भूख लगी है. हम जब तक इन अपने घर पहुंचेंगे, हमें खाना नहीं मिलेगा. What to do? What to do? हमें जल्द से जल्द we have to find. Then they found a magical map that could help them find the way. उनको नक्शा मिला. They had to find good food and water in that home. They had to find space to move. They also had to find a place that would be clean and safe. एक जगह जहां पे खाना मिलेगा, पानी मिलेगी, जगह मिलेगा मूव करने के लिए और जो क्लीन एंड सेफ होगा. कहाँ मिलेगा ये जगह? लेट्स सी. एक अचानक से वहां पे एक दरवाजा खुला. फिर the door opened and a beam of light came inside to the room.
Ma'am, there was a home.
Was this the home they were looking for? Let us see.
No, ma'am.
Let's see, what was it? It had shining light. It seemed like they had reached the place they were looking for. Ina the cat said, "We need to go to a place which has enough space, food, and which is comfortable and safe to live." Meena the cow thought, "I wonder if that door opens there. Does that door lead to our house? Does it?" Dika the dog said, "How do we enter this door? What do we do?" They thought and they thought and they thought. Then suddenly a guard came in front and stood in front of that door. What did he say? "Welcome, Ina, Meena, Dika. To enter through this door, you need to first answer a question about cats. Are you ready?" So they had to first answer a question. That was the password to enter that door. If they answered it correctly, then they could go inside. And Ina the cat said, "Meow." You know what she meant? She said, "Will these children help me find the answer? Children, will you help them find the answer?"
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Let's see.
ma'am.
Great. Your
Yes,
question
ma'am.
is, so children, if you know the answer, you can either raise your hand and then Vasanti ma'am will ask those children the answer. You can say it on the mic, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So your question is, which body part do cats don't have? Eyebrows or eyelashes?
Eyebrows.
What are eyebrows, children? Eyebrows are these on our eyes, and eyelashes are the small
Eyelashes.
fine hair.
Eyelashes
The cat do not have
Ma'am, they
eyelashes.
don't have eyelashes. Eyelashes.
Eyelashes.
Eyelashes. Eyelashes. Doesn't have eyebrows.
Okay, children, you will all raise your hands, and then Vasanti ma'am will ask you one by one. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Anshika and Anshika will answer.
Eyebrows. I don't have eyebrows.
You don't have eyebrows? Okay. Now the next person who's that?
Ma'am.
Okay, Mihir will say also. Two people will say.
Ma'am,
Mihir,
Hmm?
can I say the answer, please?
just 1 minute, Aliza. Mihir will say. Mihir?
Yes, Mihir, would you like to try?
Eyelashes. Eyelashes.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I say now?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can
Ali-
I?
Okay, Aliza, you will get a chance
Aliza.
to.
Ma'am, eyelashes.
Eyelashes. Okay.
Eyelashes?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what the right answer is. And the right answer is eyelashes. Correct. You will notice that cats, those children who have cats, will notice that they have eyebrows but not eyelashes. So, correct answer. Next. Let's see. And then they enter from that door. And what do they see inside the door? Is
A
this their home?
supermarket.
A supermarket. This is also a building like our houses. But is this the cat's home?
No, ma'am.
But it has a lot of food in it. It has a lot of food, but it was not the cat's home. Nina the cow said, "This place is so crowded. It is full of people."
Ma'am, the people will kick the animals out.
Correct. I don't see other animals too. There is no place for me to move around either. And she's right. People will kick me because there are so many people and they are so busy. This is not where we want to go. So where should we go? This is not the right place. Let us go back to Mr. Guard. Hina, Meena and Dika, looks like you still haven't found your home. Now let's try the second door. Are you ready for your password question? Children, are you ready to help them?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So this is a question about cows. So Meena the cow says, "Moo, moo." I am going to ask you a question about cows. We hope this place is not as crowded as the supermarket was. We just could not breathe there. We need to go to another place. Let's go. But first, you need to answer your password question. What is a baby cow called? A filly or a calf?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
You can
Ma'am,
raise
can
your
I?
hand, then Vasanti ma'am will ask three children.
Ma'am, calf.
So Vasanti ma'am,
Ma'am,
who's
may
going to answer? Okay, let's see.
Ma'am, may I?
I'll tell you who's going to
Anya
answer.
will say.
Yes, Anya, go for it.
Anya, you have to unmute yourself first.
Calf.
The right answer is calf.
Calf.
Calf is a baby cow, children. So what is filly? Filly is a baby what animal? Anybody knows?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Filly is the
No, ma'am.
baby of a horse. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
that's the correct answer. Now let's see where they reached. Did they reach their home? What is this?
No, ma'am.
Is
They
this
can
their
live
home?
because they can't live in there because there's lot of garbage and disgusting smell.
Exactly. There's a lot of food. Sometimes we see animals go near garbage dumps and eating. But it is that food is not good, children. Meena the cow said, I see the other cows cringing in pain. It looks like the plastic packets have got stuck in their stomachs. This is not the kind of food that we want to eat. Yuck. Oh, this food has plastic packets and all the garbage mixed that we throw in the dustbins. No, this is not where we want to go at all. Let's go back to the door and let's see if we can find our home this time. Ina, Meena, and Dika, looks like you still haven't found your home. Let's try the third door now. Are you ready for the password question?
Yes, ma'am. I am.
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
This time, which animal do you think this question is going to be about?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
dog.
Dika the dog.
Dog.
Dika the dog.
Yes, Dika the dog.
Father dog.
Woof, woof. You're right. Let's see what question this is. But Meena the cat has already said, we hope this place is not as unclean and unsafe as the garbage dump. We were going to get sick there. Who wants to go and live there? We don't. Let's see. Your question is, dogs can only see in black and white. Is it true or false? Can dogs only see in black and white?
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
You can raise
Ma'am,
your
can
hand, then
Anshika give
Vasanti
the
ma'am will choose.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am,
False. False.
Okay, those children who will say false will also say what are the other colors dogs can see. You know, dogs can, what are the other, those who say false will say.
False.
Okay, Vasanti ma'am, who are the ones who can answer?
Yash is again raising his hand. This time Parul will answer. Yash, not you.
Somebody who has answered before.
Yeah.
Ma'am, false.
Okay,
ma'am, I
Parul,
have also raised my hand.
false. And who else is raising hands? Here.
Ma'am, me.
Okay, Anshika. Okay, wait, I'm not able to see the other. Just
And
one.
Vasanti ma'am, those children who say false will have to say which
Ma'am,
are the
can
colors that dogs can
Ma'am,
see.
I have to say the dog.
Ma'am, can Anshika tell the answer?
Okay, I'll tell you. Prashant will say the answer. He has not got a chance.
Ma'am, false.
It's false. Okay, what is the right answer then, Prashant?
Ma'am, false. Ma'am, इसका answer, ma'am.
Okay, मैं अभी दो hint दूंगी आपको.
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Dogs can see only two colors. Tell me which two colors they are.
True. Dogs can see only black and white.
It is false. Then Dika the dog, tell me what are the two colors that you can see? The answer is blue and yellow.
In the zoo.
Ma'am, in a zoo.
Oh dear. They were looking for a home where they could live with their families. Look at the animals here. There are so many animals. I think they
Yes,
have
ma'am.
found their home. Do you think they have?
Mm,
Do you think the zoo is a good place for a home for them?
no, ma'am, because there are
No, ma'am.
and lot of
Okay, you can
dangerous
raise your
Yes,
hand.
ma'am.
Let's see.
Ma'am, they are domestic animals.
Domestic animals.
and
That's
people
why.
live
Aliza,
there because there are lot of people.
again, there are a lot of people
crowded.
there. Yes.
One.
Let's see.
Ma'am, they are domestic animals. Ma'am, they only lives in houses.
Yeah, so the wild animals can pose them a danger. It can be dangerous
Yes,
for
ma'am.
them. Let's see
Yes,
what
ma'am, they are
Meena the
dangerous.
cow has to say. The animals cannot move freely and I can't even meet their friends here. Look at this. They're locked in cages. How can I move about freely if I'm locked in a cage? When we live in our homes, we do not live in cages, do we? The animals do not even seem happy here. They are locked inside small cages. They are trapped. Imagine 4 or 5 animals in one small cage. No, this cannot be our home. So let's see.
Ma'am, there is no space in the cage.
There's no space. There are wild animals, and domestic animals and wild animals do not live together. Ina, Meena, and Dika, looks like you still haven't found your home. Let's try the fourth door now. Children, are you ready to go to this final fourth door?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I ready.
Are you ready for the password question? Just
Yes,
show
ma'am,
me
I
a
am
thumbs
ready.
up if you are ready, like Vihan is showing. Thumbs up. Let's see. Wait a minute, wait a minute. We hope it's not as crowded as the supermarket was. We hope that it is not as clean and unsafe like the garbage dump. We hope that we don't feel trapped for space like in the zoo. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Let's see. But first, your password question. What is dog's most popular, most powerful sense? What sense
Ma'am,
is more
can I?
powerful?
Ma'am, can I?
Smell.
Smell
Ma'am,
or
smell.
sight?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
eyesight.
smell.
Okay, raise your hand, mute yourself and raise your hand first.
Okay, Prashant will say the answer now.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to say the answer.
Vasanti ma'am will choose who's going to answer. Children, you all have to get your turns. Yes.
बोलो.
Can I answer, ma'am?
प्रशांत नहीं बोल रहा है. बिहार.
Vivek wants to answer, ma'am. Vasanti ma'am, Vivek wants to answer. Vivek, आप बताना चाहते हैं आंसर?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
हाँ.
smell.
Okay.
Ma'am.
और कोई बताना चाहेंगे? स्मेल हमने विवेक
Ma'am,
ने लॉक
smell.
कर दिया.
Ma'am,
Okay,
smell.
who else?
Ma'am, बताए क्यों?
Ma'am, can I say please?
Mhm.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's smell.
You think the doggy smell is stronger?
Yes, ma'am. Because
Smell,
It has
even
no
their
love.
eyesight is sharp.
yes, ma'am. The dog say anything. Smell. Smell and
Doggies का देखने का पावर स्ट्रांग होता है कि सूंघने का पावर ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होता है?
Ma'am.
ma'am, smell.
Ma'am, सूंघने का.
चलो अभी हम आंसर देखते हैं. हम देखते हैं राइट आंसर क्या है. करेक्ट. सेंस ऑफ स्मेल इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट. करेक्ट. Anshika, did you also have the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
I think all of them gave the right answer.
Everybody gave the right answer. So then we go to the final door and we enter. Wow, it's a farm.
Ma'am, that's the house for the three of them.
Do you think it's a farm? Will they get food in the farm?
Yes.
They will.
Yes,
ma'am.
they grow
Healthy
plants
food.
and that's the perfect place for cows.
Correct. Will they get a lot of space to move about? You
Yes,
can show your thumbs up if you agree with me. If you disagree, you can show thumbs down.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will just show a thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay. So do you think the farm is a place where they can live with their families too?
Yes, ma'am.
अपने परिवार के साथ. Do you think the humans that will live in the farm will look after and love the animals?
Yes, ma'am. They loves the animals.
Yes, correct. So the best house for them would be a farm. There is so much. Let's see. Somebody has written something in the chat. Let me see what it is. Aliza and Vihan say yes, yes. Very good. So Dika the dog says this is the best place ever. There's so much space to run around. Meena the cow says, I can live here with my family. The humans can give us good food and take care of us. And what does Meena the cat say? We feel safe here too. This is the perfect place to be our home. So children, that was the story. And now let's go back. So children, you all heard this story about Ina, Meena and Dika, and finally they reached their home, which was the farm. Do you think sometimes children, there can be other homes also beside the farm where they can be happy? If you know the answer, just raise your hands. Raise your hands, children. We will ask you one by one. Everybody will get a chance to speak.
Ma'am, what is the question? Can you repeat?
Yes. The question is, Ina, Meena, and Dika were very happy to live on the farm. Do you think there are other homes where they would have liked, other houses for them, which they would have liked? How many of you say yes?
No,
Show
ma'am.
a thumbs up.
Ma'am,
And those who say no can show a thumbs down.
Bihan is saying thumbs down. Let's ask him why. What?
Okay. So Vihan,
क्योंकि
Tell us.
वहाँ पर उनको ठीक खाना नहीं मिलेगा और रहने के लिए ज्यादा जगह भी नहीं होगी.
करेक्ट. ठीक है, कोई दूसरे जगह पे उतना होगा नहीं, वो आपको लगता है? ठीक है.
ma'am, can I give the answer?
Yes. ओके. नेक्स्ट कौन बताएगा हमें?
मैम मैम वो मैम
आंसर
मैम एनिमल्स के लिए मैम हाउस भी बेटर होता है मैम. जो ह्यूमंस होते हैं मैम वो मैम फूड भी देते हैं मैम, वॉक कराते हैं तो मैम वहाँ पे सेफ भी रहते हैं.
मैम
जो
Ma'am, can I?
say now.
Yes, Aliza.
ओके. तो विवेक को लगता है कि घर, एक हम जिस घर में रहते हैं हम उसमें कुछ एनिमल्स को रख सकते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We can keep the animals, and in the morning time they can go out and play, run around.
Yes, in the morning time, that means Aliza says कि for some time they can be at home in our house and sometime they can go outside and go. Right? Thank you, Aliza. Next.
What does Anshika say? She's got 3 dogs in her house.
Okay, yes. Anshika has 3 doggies in her house. They are like Dika the doggy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We have 3 dogs. One is Rosie, one is Hachi, one is Happy.
One is happy. Oh, and are they all happy?
Yes, always they're happy.